Hey, this is a little addition for the people who are running LuckGrib on the Mac desktop, iMac or a Mac Mini or something like that. Uh, I'm currently running on a laptop, and the nice thing about a laptop is that they have a trackpad. So scrolling and zooming on a laptop is very natural, just as it is on an iPhone and iPad. But on a desktop, there's a it's not quite as easy. Uh, so to this video is only about scrolling and zooming. All the other content is covered in the other videos, which will either precede or will follow this one. So to do scrolling, there's two ways you can do it. There's scroll bars in the window, which you can grab and move it back and forth. This is a little bit tedious as it depends on what the zoom level is. If you're zoomed in too far, then even a small adjustment on the scroll bar can make a large change. So the easier way to scroll will be to use the pan tool. So in the toolbar, there's a hand icon. If you go to the pan tool, the hand tool, you can then click down anywhere on the screen and move around. So that's an easy way to pan. And I'll come back to this in a second. The other way, the obvious way to do the zooming is in the title bar again. There's a zoom slider. And if you click on this little slider on the right-hand edge of the title bar, you can zoom in and out. So those are, so when I wrote this app, I wanted to have more than one way to do a lot of things. I want to provide an easy way, which is visible and people see how to do it, and then a different way, which is easier to use if you know how to get to it. And in this case, the easier way to do this is to use the keyboard combinations. So, so let's say you're in the line tool measuring things back and forth. How far is it from Florida to Cuba? How far is it from Florida to the Bahamas? And so on. So when you click down while you're in the line tool, clicks will form a tool or move a line, or sorry, form a line or move a line, or add a line. In any of the modes you're in, if you hold down the command button and then click, you'll be in a pan mode. So here I am in the line tool. I click down somewhere. I drag a line around. If I want to scroll, I hold down the control key and now click down and drag, and I'm panning. I'm scrolling the view. And this works in any mode. I could be in the rectangle mode where I want to draw a rectangle to download, hold down the command button and pan the screen around. So that's panning. That's the easy way to pan if you're working on a desktop. Scrolling is similar. If you hold down the Option key, the cursor changes to this little arrow, up and down arrow. And now if you click and drag up and down, you'll zoom the screen in and out. So even though I'm in the rectangle tool where I can make rectangles to download, make areas to download, I can hold down the command key. Oops, hold down the command key to pan the screen, or hold down the Option key to zoom in and out. And that's how you download when you're on a desktop. Or sorry, that's how you pan and zoom when you're on a desktop. I'm also curious, if there's someone watching this video, if you're running LuckGrib on a desktop and you happen to have a touchpad, one of these devices. So if you have a Magic Trackpad 2, I think you'll be able to use this to pan and zoom in a more natural way. If you have one, please let me know. Either leave a comment or send me an email. I'd appreciate that. Thanks. So yeah, that's about it. This is meant to be a short video, and it was. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.